the Blue Mountain Public Library Magical Science Madness Week. My name is Jen, and I will be with you every single day for roughly 10 minutes to guide you through all of our wonderful science experiments. So if you have picked up your kit from the library, you'll find one of our instructional activity books in there for you guys. And the instructions and the supplies list for each and every experiment for each and every day will be found in this booklet. So before we get started, we're going to go to our very first page, and these are our safety tips, okay? So I'm just going to read them out with you guys because safety is always super, super, super important. So all activities require attentive adult supervision. Make sure a grown-up is going through your science kit and all the ingredients that are in the kit with you. So everything that you get in your kit from the library, make sure you have an adult go through it with you so both of you are understanding exactly what is found in each of them. When finding your ingredients at home, again, make sure to ask a grown-up to help you, because the last thing we want is you guys getting into something that can hurt you. Some of these experiments can get messy and they can stain clothing. So wear a dark colored t-shirt or wear something that if you happen to get food coloring on it, you don't mind that it's forever going to be on there. And safety, safety first. Always wear your fun safety goggles and ask a grown-up to supervise and join in all of the fun. So each kit will have a pair of safety goggles for you. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop on our safety goggles. Okay, and we are now going to go to Monday's activity, and we are making some elephant toothpaste. So here's what you will need from home: 2 tablespoons of warm water, some hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, an empty plastic bottle. If you don't have a plastic bottle, you can use a glass bottle as well. And you will need a teaspoon. What we supply for you will be the yeast, some food coloring, and a funnel for pouring. So you guys grab your supplies and you guys can meet me right back here and we'll get started. All right, so if you're joining me, it's because you have all of your supplies ready to go. So our very first step is we are going to combine 2 tablespoons of warm water, which I already have in my glass bowl here, with 1 teaspoon of yeast, and then we are going to mix until the yeast is completely dissolved into the water. So this is your package of yeast. Snip off the top, grab your teaspoon, and pour it into your warm water, and stir. It will start to look cloudy, and just stir until most of it is dissolved. You'll notice that the yeast has a smell to it as well. And just remember, while you're going through your experiment, write down your observations. If you have any guesses, like a hypothesis of what you think is going to happen, write it down. And then when we're all done, compare notes. See if what you thought was, like what was going to happen, actually does happen. Okay, so we have that mixed up. So step 2. This is where you're going to ask a grown-up to help, okay? So we are going to pour a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into our empty bottle. So I have my hydrogen peroxide. So this is where grown-ups, we need you to help out. So a half a cup. This is a brand new bottle, so I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. So is a small funnel in each kit. So you have to pour kind of slow so we don't spill any over the side. There we go. So we have our half cup of hydrogen peroxide in our bottle. Our next step will be to add a few drops of food coloring into the bottle. And again, this is where you can add a food coloring and write down exactly what you're seeing and how the food coloring looks in the bottle. If it's mixing right away, if it's bubbling. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna make mine really dark. There we go. Okay. So next step is we add a squirt of dish soap into the bottle. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to very slowly pour in our yeast. And then we're gonna watch what happens. And here we go, guys. Our super, super foamy elephant toothpaste. Still going. Well, friends, there you have it, elephant toothpaste to kick off our Magical Science Week. What is elephant toothpaste? It is a foamy substance caused by the rapid decomposition of the hydrogen peroxide when you mix it with the yeast and the warm water, which acts as its catalyst. And the higher the peroxide level, the thicker and the more foam can be created. I hope you guys had lots of fun, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow for our fizzing hand experiment. So remember to meet me right back here tomorrow, 1 p.m. Bye for now. See ya.